You know, the thing is, we go to college students, they're young boys, young girls. They are people who are going to be opinion makers tomorrow. They're going to be leaders in their field tomorrow. And it's really important that the messaging and the signals of what kind of society it is that they want for themselves, and then eventually for generations that are going to follow them, that they need to be responsible, not say it's not our problem and we'll deal with it when we grow up and we have to, take it on head on when it's an issue. You might as well start thinking about it now, so you create that society as you progress. So we have been doing that, so it's not that doesn't happen. तो मेरे ख्याल से जो एक फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में एक एटमॉस्फेयर है और जो एक एनवायरनमेंट है, वो हमेशा एक्चुअली अगर आप देखने को जाएं तो टैलेंट पे बेस्ड है. अगर लोग टैलेंटेड हैं, वो मर्द हो या औरत हो, the fact is that they will do well, they will always be appreciated, the audiences will love them, people will go to them to cast them in their film or to work with them as a director. तो वो सिर्फ बिल्कुल आपके स्किल पे डिपेंड करता है, उसका आपके जेंडर से कुछ लेना देना है नहीं. और जो पर्सनल चीज़ें हैं लोगों की, कि मुझे लग रहा है कि लोग मुझे डम समझते हैं या मैं ऑब्जेक्टिफाई हो रही हूँ, आई कांट कॉमेंट ऑन दैट बिकॉज आई एम नॉट इन दैट पर्सन शूज. बट आई डू बिलीव दैट दे हैव द राइट एंड दे हैव द चॉइस to be able to change it themselves. I do feel they have that.